but we sort of see it as shorter term investment buying. Although some of it is, as you were saying, this opportunistic, let's build inventories while the price is down, because yes, it could go higher. And because the price has been low for so long, there's no technical resistance between, say, 1050 and 1600.
Silver lining in radical times with Monex and CPM Group.
You know, with a lot of things going on in the precious metals market, there's one that stands out, and this stands out to me because you and I have talked about it a few times over the last year or so, maybe the last 2 or 3 years, is platinum. Recently, in about 1 month's time frame, platinum broke out and made almost a $400 per ounce move. I'm wondering what your thoughts are on this move. Is this, why did we make this move, and is this something we can continue?
I'll be really honest, we have been somewhat perplexed by the upward move because, we've seen platinum trade in this range, as you said, 800 to 1,000, 1,050, not just for a couple of years, but really for like a decade. And we look at the fundamentals of the market, well supplied, a lot of metal in inventories. Mine production is suffering in South Africa and Russia to a lesser extent, but it's there. Auto industry is moving away from using PGMs and catalysts, so fabrication demand's down. And we've sort of assumed that the price would pretty much stay in that range with an occasional spikes up. And then we saw this spike and, 40% increase in 1 month. It really began at the end of May, the beginning of June. And we can trace it to a report from the World Platinum Investment Council, which came out with a report in late May, said that there was a massive deficit in the platinum market, which we don't see in terms of new supply relative to fabrication demand, but that there was very strong jewelry demand in China, and that they expected the auto industry to pick up both its production of automobiles that are gasoline powered and therefore their use of platinum, palladium, and rhodium. And after that report came out, we started seeing speculative buying. At first, it was on the NYMEX, but then it was more broadly, and we've seen it continue through the last 6 weeks. And we're a little bit surprised by it. Now, this week there is a platinum conference in Shanghai, so that's adding to the market enthusiasm. But we sort of see it as shorter term investment buying, although some of it is, as you were saying, this opportunistic, let's build inventories while the price is down, because yes, it could go higher. And because the price has been low for so long, there's no technical resistance between, say, 1050 and 1600.